back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samke, guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very nice chocolate cake. Okay, so let's get to it. Here I have 2 cups of cake flour. All right, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of this is baking powder, and then this is a teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. All right, I will give this a good stir. So the next thing that you're going to do is to take 2 cups of sugar. All right, you can use white sugar, it's still fine. You need 2 cups of sugar, and then you mix again. So now I'm going to take this is melted butter, about a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then I'm going to take 3 eggs. 3 eggs. You have to throw them in there. 1. Take another one. 2. And the third one. 3. And then I'm going to need my vanilla essence. A tablespoon, and another one. So now we're going to mix this together. Yeah, and then you're going to need a cup of hot water. A cup of hot water. Then you just put it in there, and then a cup of milk, buttermilk, and then you give this a good stir until it's smooth. All right, so when you have something like this, it doesn't have to be smooth, guys. I have 2 trays here. I've oiled them with butter. Yeah, this one is square, this one is circle. You can use any shape of your choice. So I'm going to just pour half of this here into this one, and then another half here. This mixture, I have my melted chocolate here, and then this is my cream for dessert and cooking as well. So I'm just going to add this together like this, see, then I'll make a mixture, see, yeah, boom. So now, guys, when you have this, we're going to put this in the freezer and cut the top layer of the cakes, yeah, and then wait for our cream to yeah, to thicken up. All right, so I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. Yay. Guys, this is after 20 minutes and our cream looks good. Look at this. Woo. So we're just going to put this on there. As you can see, I did cut the top part. Yay. So let's try to guys, look at this baby right here. See, looks good already. Oops. See, so we're going to take this other one and put it like this. You don't have to cut the top part. If you want, you can still cut. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on top of this one and put the rest of the cream on top like this. See, it doesn't have to be neat, guys, honestly.
Happy birthday, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Here is our cake. It's ready. So I'm just gonna cut here and have a slice and serve. Nice. Look